Where we going?
I
Where
also
we
have
going?
a YouTube channel, but I only have 2 subscribers.
We are here at Shakey's Kidapawan. Hindi ko alam may Shakey's na pala dito. Moju's Pasta.
Walking slowly.
Why?
Because you're doing a video.
Yeah. Le, please.
Eight pieces chicken and we'll just party size na pizza na carbonara natin.
Style soup. Nabigay lagi ko ka ba? That's strong.
We're gonna taste test for Coca-Cola. Cheers. Kailan?
Nabusog na. How's it tasted?
Sweet.
Sweet and yummy.
Balong-balong ko na. Bite na. Mozzarella.
Ay, cheese yan? Yeah, yesterday it's your birthday, right?
Yeah.
Happy birthday also.
Wow. Carbonara.
Ay, kaya review.
Another one.
Mozzarella.
Another one.
Yeah.
Yummy. Mocha na to. Mocha.
Ano lang ano chicken? Potato? O mojos? Ano ang buto? Be, ano ni flavor, Be?
Wait, Anay, Day. Wait,
I love it. Steamed crust. Happy birthday to you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Kahapon birthday ni Chi, ngayon birthday ni Manoy.
I want that one. Anay, Paula, patay. Ikaw, Blue. Get it a spray.
Amen. So crunchy. Mas gusto kong patata. Patata with fried chicken.
Good
Sarap doste. Oo, dumay ang mag-itchay. Hello. Nakuha ko eh.
Kamo ka, ostrich.
Ah! Look guys. Kaya ako ito mo. This is you eh.
Ito mga tayo na ba?
Paa.
Shredded gravy.
Pagpilat. Nakinlat hot.
A little bit then.
Why ba individual? Ano ko na kayo? This is another flavor. Pepperoni. So amazing. Thin crust. Meron silang pautot dito guys na if the ano daw, Shakey's did well, yung food nila nice, meron kang ano na bell. Yun lang.
Ano din?
Tinggogan.
Carbonara. So that's the vlog. That's my vlog. I'm so happy. I'm so happy birthday. So, bye. Thanks for watching. Parang nakala ng bago. So guys, gabi na. No, nasa ni Rai?
5:40 yata.
5:40. 5 pala? Ala.
Dalawang na.
So,